In this episode, we go visit
The
Lee
abandoned,
Stocking Cay.
the abandoned research center.
Yeah, it was a marine biology research center that they stopped getting funding for, and they just basically looks like they just walked away from everything. We found all kinds of stuff, including shoes,
Yeah, there was random shoes. Just one shoe, random places.
generators, all kinds of stuff. It was kind of creepy, to be honest.
It looks fairly new. What's that case all wrapped up right there? I don't think we're supposed to be here.
The last person came a year ago.
I feel like a zombie's gonna pop out at any moment.
Going up, they would have shot us already.
They might not make it.
Well, it's okay because we got first aid right here.
I don't think we're supposed to be here.
Somebody even left their shoes.
Hello. Yeah, another toilet. Hello.
That's an old ass computer. That's an old ass computer. What? What?
Back.
Ew. Where? Wait, I gotta get.
Ceiling.
Okay, shh.
Good picture. Look at the shit on the floor. Hello, hello. And
Yeah, and you woke him up.
I felt poop fall on me.
Ew.
And I looked up. You didn't find a bat.
Looks like it was haunted and they all disappeared. They wanted to get out of here fast. Perfect neighborhood. Everybody can have a house. Pick one.
Yeah.
Even rat?
I don't want the one with the bats.
Not the one with the bat.
No.
That's rats.
Oh Lord.
No.
This is creepy.
I think it was a butterfly.
I heard bats.
I like that one.
Just a room. I don't see anything. I don't know. We can watch the video back. See if I got it. What's in the cooler? Somebody open it.
I'm not opening it.
Y'all are a bunch of vaginas. Food. Oh, if I'm supposed to.
Release the Kraken.
I closed it back up. Something's eating the crabs.
Yeah. Birds or iguanas?
Are we gonna walk all the way down this road? I don't think so.
The building over there.
Where?
On the right.
Oh, I didn't see it. Look, there's a trail. Why doesn't somebody go check it out?
You go down the trail?
I don't want to. Somebody can.
Go for it. Like this nice big trail here. Right?
Yeah, I don't want to like end up in the hills have eyes, tropic style.
Probably where the zombies come.
Yeah. If there were zombies here, they would have already smelled us and heard us with you hollering hello and tried to eat our brains already.
Well, I'm glad they didn't. Would have got it over with, actually.
Yeah. That road just takes you out to the main road, it looks like. Man, that's a lot of money in aquariums. Somebody had a Khalid.
Okay, so our next episode will be a collage of the remainder of our trip up to the boat and Hurricane Irma. Hope you join us.